and welcome. Today we are going to learn about distance between 2 points when their Cartesian coordinates are given. So let's begin. So this is our coordinate plane. Let's say there are 2 points P and Q. Coordinates of P are x1, y1 and coordinates of Q are x2, y2. Now we have to find distance between these 2 points PQ. That means we have to find length of PQ. Directly it is not possible. So let's see how we can derive the formula for this. So first of all, let's draw a perpendicular from P and Q on x-axis. From P we have drawn PL and from Q we have drawn QM. The length of PL would be y1 as the y-coordinate of P is y1. It is perpendicular distance from x-axis, and length of QM would be y2 because this is the perpendicular distance of Q from x-axis. Length of OL is x1 and distance of OM is x2. Let's draw a perpendicular from P on QM, that is PR. You can see here there is a right triangle PRQ. If we use Pythagoras theorem, we can find length of PQ. But for that, first we need to know the length of QR and PR. So QR is equals to QM minus RM. And you can see here RM will be equals to PL. So we can write this as QM minus PL. QM is Y2 and PL is Y1. So length of QR would be y2 minus y1. For PR is equals to LM. LM we can find by taking OM minus OL, which is equals to x2 minus x1. So length of PR is x2 minus x1. We know values of PR and QR. By Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equals to PR square plus QR square. And when we take square root of both sides, PQ will be equals to whole square root of PR square plus QR square. Now we know that PR is equals to x2 minus x1 and QR equals to y2 minus y1. We substitute these values here. So we get length of PQ is equals to square root of Q2 minus Q1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to get length of PQ when we know their Cartesian coordinates. Or in other words, we can say the distance between 2 points when we know their coordinates is equals to difference in x coordinate square plus difference in y coordinate square and whole square root of that. So let's understand this by an example. We will apply this formula directly. So the question is, find the coordinates of a point which is on y-axis and which is equidistant from minus 1, 2 and 3, 4. To solve this, we will directly apply the formula. So these are the points. Let's say the point P is minus 1, 2 and the point Q is 3, 4. So we have to find the coordinates of the point which is on y-axis and which is equidistant from these two. Take that point as O and let's take its coordinates as 0, y because it's on y-axis. So its x coordinate would be 0. Now since it is equidistant from P and Q, it means that OP will be equals to OQ. Here we can directly apply the distance formula for OP and OQ. So for OP, difference of x coordinate will be 0 minus minus 1 because x coordinate of O is 0 and x coordinate of P is minus 1. And for y coordinate, it would be y minus 2 because y coordinate of O is y and y coordinate of P is 2. Similarly for OQ, so we have written here. Now we can take square of both sides and simplify this as well. So we get minus 1 square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. We expand this, y square will get cancelled and 8y minus 4y will give us 4y, and we can add and subtract the constants. We get 4y is equals to 20 and in turn we get y is equals to 5. So the coordinates of point O would be 0, 5 and distance of this point from P and Q is same, which is equals to square root of 10. Distance formula is used in coordinate geometry at many places and it is very simple to apply as well. I hope you must have got that basic idea. In the next video, we will see distance between 2 points in polar coordinates. So stay tuned and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.